Welcome to the NavPal Floorplan Creator. TechBridge World, a research group innovating sustainable technology solutions, created an Android application named NavPal, which uses localization data to allow the visually impaired to have voice guidance while navigating indoors. Unfortunately, their application does not have enough indoor mapping data to make a real impact. That's where we come in. The Floorplan Creator allows building managers to upload floor plans of public buildings so that data can be extracted for NavPal to use. Upon uploading a floor plan, it is first run through a preprocessor, which auto-detects the majority of walls, doors, and text within the image. Using our tools, users are expected to identify the remaining walls and doorways within the floor plan, as well as give rooms a descriptive label, pin points of interest in their building, and also connect the floors of their building using stairways and elevators. Once our users have done all this, we construct a navigatable graph from their input data. The graph allows NavPal to give precise navigation directions throughout the building. We start by making an account. You do this using your email address and a password, and hit Create Account. This takes us to our building construction page. I'll use the University Center of Carnegie Mellon University, and I'll upload 2 floor plans from it. When you upload floor plans, they have loading spinners, indicating that the preprocessor is running on them. When the preprocessor is completed, you see that the loading spinners have exited.
This brings us to our authoring tool. As you can see, we display your floor plan with the walls we identified in our preprocessor. They are indicated by these green lines. Up top we have our floor plan carousel, which allows you to switch between floor plans.
We're going to show off some of the features now of our authoring tool. We'll start off with a floor plan that's partially completed. You can see some of the walls have been filled in, and one of the rooms has been classified. It's in red. So the first tool we have is the pan tool, which allows you to move and navigate through the floor plan. The next tool is the selection tool, so you can select points and lines and modify them or move them. You also can delete points or lines with this tool, so I'll show deleting a point here. And when you delete a point, it will delete the lines connected to that point. The next tools we have are undo and redo and our zoom in and out. I don't use the zoom in and out tools here. I just use the mouse wheel as a shortcut. The next tool is our line drawing tool. So you can see that I can draw these lines and it will snap to a point there. And the tool also will snap to a line automatically to make creating closed off spaces easier. The next tool is our door tool, and this functions as a toggle basically between door and not door. So every wall is either a door or not, and you can toggle it on and off with this tool. I'll come down here and draw some more, or indicate some more doors. Then the next tool that we use is the classify room tool. So we automatically detect all closed off spaces as rooms, so you can see when I hover over them, it knows where the rooms are based on the walls. And if I click inside of a room, a pop-up comes up and I can write the name of that room or a description, and I hit save, and you can see that it turns red to indicate that this room has been classified. The next tool is a landmark tool. I'm just going to place a landmark here in this room up top and label this as a restroom. When I hit save, there is an icon that pops up to indicate that I've put a landmark there. The final tool we're going to show is the stair tool, which allows you to indicate where there are connections between floors. So I'm going to mark this staircase right here, and as you can see, there are no interfloor connections so far, so I'll type in the name of this staircase and it will be added to our list. So when I hit save, an icon pops up and I can go now to a different floor and label that exact same staircase again. So when I click on the stair tool, it will pop up that stair 05, which I labeled on the previous floor, is available. So I click that, hit save, and it remembers that those two stairs are connected.